In this video, I want to show you how you can create a macOS bootable ISO file using your macOS computer. Open App Store on any macOS computer, and in the search box type Catalina and press enter. Click on View and then click on Get. This procedure also applies to other versions of macOS if you want. Now you have to click on Download, and the downloading of the Catalina installation package begins. It's a pretty big download. It's about 9 GB. So I'm gonna cut this video and come back when the download finishes. And now the download finished. You receive this message when the download finishes. Just minimize the window and then also close this window and this window too. And you need to close the installation program. So right click on it and choose Quit, and then click on Finder just to make sure that the installation package was downloaded. And under Applications in Finder, you see that Install macOS Catalina is downloaded. So now click on Go and then choose Utilities. We need to open the terminal to convert the installation package to an ISO file. There are a series of commands that we are going to put. This is the first command. It will create a DMG file of 8.9 GB. So put the command exactly as it is, respecting the spaces and the casing, and then press enter. You can find all commands and links in the description. So this is the Catalina.dmg file created in the temp directory. The second command is to attach the DMG file to a mount point on the desktop. So put it and also press enter, and you see on the right you have the Catalina mount point now on your desktop. Now we are ready to launch the third command that will create the installation media into the DMG file. So let me clear the terminal first and then put this command. As I said, it will create the installation media using the mount point into the DMG file. Put it exactly as it is. And then press enter. When you press enter, it will ask you for your password. So put the password of the macOS computer that you're working on, and the creation will begin. It is a bit lengthy, so I accelerated the video here a little bit. And now it's creating the boot files and the command is finished. You will notice that the mount point name has changed to Install macOS Catalina. So let me clear the terminal once again, and now we need to put the command to detach the mount point from the DMG image. So put this command exactly as it is and press enter, and you see it said that the disk was ejected. And now we are going to put a command to convert the DMG file to a CDR file. Remember that you can find all these commands in the description of this video. You'll notice on the top right corner of your macOS desktop that the Catalina.cdr file is being created. And now it is created. The last command is to rename the CDR file into an ISO file. So let's clear the terminal once again and put the command to move the CDR file to an ISO file, which in other words mean rename the file. And as you see, the file now is named Catalina.iso. And that was all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.